Alright guys, welcome back to another antique tractor power video. And well, in today's video, I think I'm gonna, since we got the, my exhaust manifold kind of like, I took it off and it like, here, I'll just show you right now. So this pipe right here, we tried to twist it off or whatever. And we heated it up, as you can tell by the color difference. And it cracked. So, we got a new one. It's used. I'm gonna sandblast it and paint it once I get time. Old water jacket's already peeling paint, whatever. So we just filled these holes in because we don't want anything getting in the motor, carburetor, you know. But yeah, that's not for today's video. Oh, and also, I don't know if I told you guys this yet, but brand new tires, freaking mint tires, I tell ya. We got new fronts. Just basically put tires for the front. Oh yeah, looks mint. Got these beastie boys. Pretty freaking sweet if I say so myself. But yeah. Anyways, yeah. So that's basically for the tires. That's one new thing we've added onto this. Yeah, I'm not too sure. But today's video we're gonna be doing something a little more special. Okay, I'll show you in a bit. This is our goal today. This thing is going inside the shop, and I'm gonna try and start sanding it, paint it red. Anyways, let's get into it. Alright, so we got it in the shop now. So now we can officially move it over to the bench and hopefully start sanding. Anyways, we will see you at the bench. Alright, so we are officially at the bench. Let's get this thing nice and lifted up here. So yeah, right there. Got our nice hood. We should probably wash it off. Yeah, let's do that. Let's quickly move it to the wash bay. See you when we're there. Alright, so we made it to the wash bay. Now I guess we clean it. So I guess we'll see you when we clean it. Alright, looks like she's nice and clean now. The pressure washer really did a good job. I mean, it looks pretty good for being as old as it is. Anyways, use my trusty blower to help dry it off. Milwaukee, if you know what I mean. Anyways, we should hopefully get to doing maybe a little bit of sanding, maybe even some painting. Anyways, but we're gonna have a little bit of dent work here. We're gonna pry that out with probably a hammer or something. But yeah, I guess we'll see you when we're back at the bench, and then we can do some more work. Alright, so we made it back to the bench. Now let's get our sanding gear. Okay, so we got the primer on now. We did our sanding, got it really smooth and basically brand new smooth. Now she's got a nice primer on her. She's dry and she looks amazing. We're gonna paint her a nice international red. So yeah, I guess we'll see you when we're there. Alright, so it's officially been about 8 hours, and we've done 2 coats on this. My hands are a bit dirty. 2 coats on this, and I took off my front grill, put a primer on it. We don't have enough paint to start painting it red yet, so I don't think we're gonna get to painting that red in this video. But that's red. That'll be turned red, but that's just primer. 2 coats. Got 1 more coat on that, and yeah. And this, my exhaust manifold, it had a crack here. We accidentally broke it, and it's rusted out up here. So we got this new exhaust manifold. This thing is way beefier, way better. It'll fit. It's just way better condition, way tougher. Anyways, we've done a lot of stuff to the tractors, such as get them in the shop. That took us way longer than we expected. And I've been tearing it down now. Fuel tank's gone. Hood's gone. Grill's gone. Now I just gotta take... I can't remember what it's called. My radiator out. Some more little things here and there. And then... yeah. I'm not totally sure if I want to do a full rebuild, but... yeah, I mean, I got new tires and stuff and all this. I got new tires, got those nice and painted, new exhaust manifold. I might as well, but I don't know. So this is its current position. And then we have the Massey Harris over here getting torn down. Radiator, hood, grill, fuel tank, another fuel tank. So yeah, that one's getting torn down. That one's kind of getting torn down. Not as far, but I've just been painting those. And then I guess if we come over here, we have my bowl. Not even sure how it ran with that bowl, but it did. Okay, so then we got these for holding on panels, just these bolts. And this holds on the McCormick emblem in the front. I just took those off. Fuel tanks, helps hold on the fuel tank, those three. And yeah, it took us a while to get them in here, but we've done basically a complete teardown so far. So yeah, it's looking pretty good if I say so. So I get that there's dents and stuff, but like, it looks really good. Like, the dents, like, okay, there's dents. It still looks really good. If you're wondering what kind of tires these are 14 by 9s by 26s, BKTs. So they actually are really beefy tires. Good old spring fix, 1,000 washers. Electrical tape fix. But yeah, I guess stay tuned for when we do a little bit more. This is episode 5, by the way. So yeah, I guess we'll see you when we get a little bit more done.